Hi, welcome back to my channel. And today we're making Epoxy coasters. So what you'll need to do is make sure your table is level. And what you'll need is colorful Epoxy Resin. Pigment. And you'll need your molds, 2 cups, and stir sticks A and B. You'll probably want to get a parent to help you mix the epoxy resin.
All right, so let's take 1 part of A and 1 part of B in a measuring cup.
Let's take 1 part of A and 1 part of B and put it in a cup.
All right, so there are 110 milliliters in that one. And
And put the same amount in each cup.
Yeah. And you have to figure out how much that is based on how big your molds are, right?
Yeah. This is the funny part. It's coming.
Slowly. So you've got 220 mil approximately now. Okay.
I think you're going to get a lot of likes.
Oh, okay.
Because I don't think anyone's put kids on their channel. Right?
I guess so. All right. So now, tell them what you're gonna do. You're gonna.
And then you're gonna take your stir stick. Woohoo!
Slowly mix the resin together.
Slowly mix the resin together. And let a parent help you after you're done.
You want to make sure the resin is really well mixed, right?
Yeah. You want to make sure the resin is really well mixed.
And we want to do it slowly so we don't get a lot of air in the resin, right?
Yeah. Make
sure you go around all the sides and the bottom to make sure all the resin is well mixed.
You want to split the resin across the 4 cups.
Because we have 4 colors.
Because you have 4 cups.
4 colors.
4?
You have 4 colors, right?
4
pigment colors that we're making.
Yeah.
So we should always get help from a parent.
You should always get help from a parent to do this.
And you should always be wearing gloves and protective gear. Okay, and now Adriana, you're going to open up one of the little bags and then pour the little big bits of pigment in there. We don't need all of it though, just a little bit, okay?
And then open your pigment.
So that way I can take my gloves off.
And get a parent to do this if your gloves are sticky.
Okay, so you want to do it? Just don't put all of it in there. Just put a little bit in there, okay?
And then put a little bit in.
Put a little bit more than that's fine.
Daddy.
Mhm.
I was thinking.
Okay.
I was thinking a mix of colors.
Yeah, we'll mix them once you put them in the molds.
Okay.
So then get your next color.
But just pour a little bit in each one.
Perfect.
I think that one's gonna be
Yeah, that's good for that one, Adrian.
super glitter. And I did super glitter on this one.
Okay, you got your stir stick and stir them up.
And then get your stir stick and stir it all up. Very good. So it's all around in your, what's it called?
The resin?
The resin. Dad, would you go and check on Mom?
I think Mom will be okay.
I heard yelling. Make sure you don't get your face very close because then you'll get
Pigment?
pigment in your eyes. So make sure you're not too close with your face. And I'm not kidding. I am serious. So like if you're like this close, don't do that. That's like pretty far. Like a lot far, but not as far as you can't see. Just make sure you're safe and not getting popsy in your eyes. Now that we have all our colors, it's time to mix your colors if you want to up a little in your molds.
So you start pouring a little bit, right?
So start pouring a little bit into your molds if you're mixing. So the tiniest bit. And you better mix colors that hands wouldn't like together, so that's like good combination. I thought blue and green was a good combination together. And if you want to mix your colors a little bit together and make a pretty combination, you can mix your colors for a pretty combination. I'll bring the camera here so they can see. Just like this. So you're gonna just pour a little again. And don't worry if you don't get it perfect, that's okay. Are you gonna be good at it the first time? No. And I'm an experiencer on this. I learned when my dad taught me and got the workshop. So I was so glad to make molds. And now that we've poured all our resin into our molds, get a parent, or you can call them grown-up, to help you with this thing. Because in the time, you'll start to see air bubbles. Also,
And we'll use the torch.
use the torch.
Probably something we should do outside or in the garage, and definitely with a parent helping, right?
Definitely with the parent helping in the garage. Hey, Daddy.
It's okay, you can help too. Come on. And we just go over all the air bubbles and pop them.
Go over all the air bubbles and pop them. And this is fun to watch.
And it's very dangerous, so we need to
But
make
it's
sure.
very dangerous.
We need to make sure our parents always helping. And that's it.
Now you're gonna let your resin dry, and then you're gonna whoop, come back tomorrow to Montana. It's the next day, and our molds are dry. So we're gonna take them out, and I have coasters. So now that we've got our molds out of this, our molds are ready, and I'll show you what some of them look like. So this is the funky looking one. And the parent looking one of the coasters. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked it. And don't forget to click the thumbs up and subscribe.